Hi everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, an independent designer for Couture. Today I am going to work on this transfer. There's actually two of them on this one. I'm going to use the hot coffee, always brewed fresh. And then there's another really cool one, baked fresh daily. I'm going to use one of these squeegees, either the Big Daddy or the big handle squeegee, or this angle squeegee. And I'm going to just use the black. Should be really fast and easy. This one is really quick. And here's some of our new boards. This is, I believe it's called the Odette board. Very nice. And it's a reusable board, so you can take off the chalk paste and reapply whatever you want. So I could put hot coffee on it now and then later put the baked fresh daily. So let's get going. First thing, remove the cellophane package and keep this. This is how I store it. And then cut along the cut lines. You actually have two transfers with this one. And mark the back, because remember, this is reusable. And you want to put, after you clean it up, you want to put the sticky side of the transfer to the shiny side of the backing. Now I'm fuzzing it, and that's just putting on this terry cloth towel. Takes a little bit of the stickiness off. It is fabric, and it's a silk screen transfer, so you don't want to stretch it out. It's going on a non-porous surface. So that is why I did that. Now I am just smoothing it out, make sure there's no bubbles, mostly around the netting. And then I'm taking my black velvet chalk paste. And I think I decided to use the angle squeegee. Don't know why, just did. And just applying the chalk paste. This part really goes fast. After you get the paste on, then you just smooth it out and make sure there's no lines in it. Take off the excess, put it back in the jar. And then, there it is. It's awesome, right? That was easy. And I'm showing you here, there's little dots and splashes inside the lettering. That is the transfer doing the distressing for you. It's awesome. Now, if you like this as much as I do, just go over to my website, chocouture.com/Cherie Criswell. And there you can browse, shop, join, or subscribe to our new monthly subscription. Yep, I love this. I love how easy it is and how the transfer does all the work for you. Quick and easy. Thanks, guys. Bye.